Good morning. Today is Monday, May 11th, and let's take a peek at what we have for this week. On Monday, we have GeoBoard practice with triangles. Tuesday is going to be classifying quadrilaterals, part 1, and Wednesday is going to be a part 2 of quadrilaterals, and then last on Thursday will be a hierarchy of riddles. On Friday, there will be no new learning, and I'll explain why when we get to science. In reading this week, you will be focusing on the story James Forten, which is in your Orange Houghton Mifflin book. Each day will have something different to do with that book. Monday will be text structure, Tuesday will be vocabulary, Wednesday will be building background, Thursday we're actually going to read the story, and then Friday you will be taking an assessment on that story. For your journal entry, I have a new website here that gives you some good fun ideas if you're needing some fresh ideas for your journal entries and you're kind of getting bored with that. So if you look at that, it's just going to bring you here, and if you scroll down, they'll give you some journal entry ideas. There's a video, and then there's just, if you keep scrolling down, there's lots of different journal entry ideas. So take a peek of that if you are kind of running out of things to write about. Woods Runner, we are going to take slow this week. So Monday is just reading chapter 16. Tuesday you'll respond to 16. Wednesday we're going to read chapter 17. Thursday we're going to respond to chapter 17. And there will be no new learning again on Friday because I'm going to give you some extra time to work on that science project. In science, you are going to join me today, and I'm going to go over at 12:30 at a live meeting, and we're going to talk about the directions for the Simple Machines project. So don't feel like you have to go look at that at any point before that 12:30 meeting where I will go over and explain the directions to you. Then you'll have all week to work on this project, and it won't be due until next week. Social studies, because of the big science project, there will be no new learning in social studies this week. Office hours are going to be from 10:30 to 11:30 every day this week. The only live meeting that we will have this week as a whole group is from 12 to 12:30 today. And I took your suggestion by going with the Monday Fun Day live lunch. So join me at 12 o'clock today for and your friends and buddies so that you can have lunch together. You can either bring a lunch or just bring yourself to hang out. And then right after our live lunch at 12:30, we are going to go over the Simple Machines project direction so I can explain that a little better for you. As far as Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday go, we're going to continue with the 1 o'clock meeting, but our 1 o'clock meetings are going to narrow down to a smaller group, and in that small group we are going to focus on math. So I will have a live lesson for you during that time at 1 o'clock, and it'll kind of help you out with that next Unit 6 assessment. So that's a look at our week and a glance. If you look at our actual daily planner for today, you'll see more specifically where you can find things and what we will be working on. Again, it reiterates here down here the times that we are going to be meeting today. So that 10:30 to 11:30, today I'll be open for office hours. Monday Fun Day lunch is going to be from noon to 12:30, and then a live lesson at 12:30 just going over that Simple Machines project. Don't forget to click on the Flipgrid link today and wish Maddie a happy birthday from the weekend, and I hope to see you today. Have a good one.